9 nights at Wembley, and it's so funny. Training all for nothing. Too good it's right attack, trying to keep up today's people. Flash, kicking butt, came for one night only. Where you go faster, ideas go so low. Drinking brain.